Looking for a dependable way to connect your Mini DisplayPort device to an HDMI display? This Mini DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 1.4 adapter delivers sharp 1920 by 1200 or 1080p video at 60 Hz, plus 7.1 channel audio support. With a compact 5-inch cable included, it's designed to bring your screen to life without clutter or fuss. What sets this adapter apart is its broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with Mini DisplayPort Plus sources like Thunderbolt 1 and 2 MacBooks, MacBook Air, Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro models 1 through 6, and even desktops with AMD FirePro or NVIDIA Quadro graphics. Whether you're plugging into a laptop, Intel NUC, or Mini ITX computer, this adapter fits right in. If you're aiming to boost productivity, this adapter is a smart choice. It lets you connect an HDMI monitor, TV, or projector, making it easy to add a second display to your workstation. Its small form factor means you can carry it effortlessly between your home office and workplace, keeping your setup flexible and efficient. Signal quality matters, and this adapter doesn't disappoint. Gold-plated connectors ensure a stable connection, minimizing interference and signal loss. It's been tested with HDMI cables up to 50 feet long, so you can trust it to maintain clear, flicker-free video and audio even over longer distances. Setup is a breeze with no software or drivers required. The adapter works out of the box with macOS, Windows, and Ubuntu, making it versatile across different operating systems. Whether you're using a Microsoft Surface PC or a Thunderbolt MacBook, it's ready to go the moment you plug it in. Users across the US have praised this adapter for outperforming cheaper alternatives. One reviewer noted how this model eliminated flickering and signal issues common in other brands. Unlike those, it maintains proper refresh rates and lets your devices sleep properly without waking the display unnecessarily. The secure fit and silent operation make it a reliable companion for any setup. If you need a no-nonsense, high-quality Mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter that just works, this is worth a look. It combines solid performance, broad compatibility, and ease of use in a compact package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your display connections without hassle.